Thank you for your purchase. Now I will show you how you can customize this project. So when you open this project in After Effects, you will have several folders. Each folder contains composition and folders with placeholders which you can use for your project. You will have that's composition all preview, where you can check preview of all project in that spec. When you open some of the folder, you will have that composition which you can add to your project. So for example, I will use that's boost title. Just drag and drop that's composition here. You will need to activate overlay effect on this composition. To use that's overlay effect, you should turn on that's effect here. Just press this button. You can adjust duration of that's title. Just use that's marker and change your duration. To edit this composition, you will have two options. Options number 1. You can open that composition in Essential Graphics. And here you will have all parameters which help you to customize that composition. You can type your text here, change position, scale, text color and color of all that's scene. Or you can open that composition boost title, and here you will have that text layer which you can edit. You will have that controller. If you choose this controller and open effect controls, you will have similar parameter which you can edit. For example, right now I would like to change color. And here you will have that red cross which you can move. I can change size of this title. I can change position. Same way you can customize all part of that project. So for example, I would like to edit some lover sort there. I can open all preview folder, found here lover sort. That's one. I can choose that composition in my project, lover sort number 3. Drag and drop that lover sort here. I can change duration of this lover sort. And I can open that lover sort in Essential Graphics to change my text, position and color. And one more way how I can change position, I can open this lover sort here and move using this red cross. Same way I can change position using Essential Graphics, and here I will have these controllers. And for example, I would like change scale, make it smaller or bigger. I can make one more copy of that lover sort. Just press Command or Ctrl D. Add that lover sort. Change position of this lover sort. Open that new lover sort in Essential Graphics and change your text. So in this project I can use both this lover sort which I make. And now if I would like add some end screen, for example, I will choose some of that end screen. I will open all preview folder, check end screen, and just move that end screen into my project. For example, somewhere here. To activate the overlay effect, I should turn on that parameter. And right now I can turn on or turn off my background. For example, right now I have that checkbox background on, so end screen will appear with background. If I press this checkbox off, end screen will appear with that overlay effect. So right now I can open that end screen in Essential Graphics, and using that folder I can customize all this project. I would like change main view. For example, right now I will change color of my text to white. I would like to edit links. I will open that folder. Here I can move that slider and change logo of my social network. If I would like use custom logo and open that folder your logo, your icon, and I will add icon here. And how you can see that logo will appear. That's your custom logo. Same way, if I would like change position of this element, I can open that composition I will have this red cross, which I can move and change by scale. For example, I would like make it like this. And of course I will have that's control layer here. If I open that's control layer and choose effect controls, I will have all parameters which I can customize in this project. Here I can change text. Same way you can customize all project. Just remember, when you move some of composition into your timeline, you will need to turn on this effect to enable overlay effects which include in this project. Right now, you can open that composition in Essential Graphics, and here you will have all parameters which you can customize. And if I would like change duration of this transition, I can move that marker here and change duration of this transition. Same way I can change duration of lower third and boost titles. How to edit intro. When you open that folder intro, you will have main comp intro and folder with placeholders. So let's choose some intro which we would like to edit. For example, that's one, short one, intro number 3. When you open that composition, here you will have all text layers which you can edit. When we open that folder, we will have placeholders where we can add our sound, image and logo. Open that placeholders and add your content inside. Just drag and drop your pictures or video inside that placeholders. When you open that composition, you will need to add your logo inside that composition. You can change size of that logo here. You can use that placeholder per sound to add your sound inside that project. Now you will have intro, which you can customize, change colors and change your text. To edit your text, choose text layer, for example that's one, and type your text here. In this case, you will have 3 text layers. Choose one which you would like to edit and type your text. Here you will have that control layer. If you choose that control layer and open effect controls, you will have all parameters which you can customize in that project, like colors, intensity of that colors, for example like this, you can change intensity and change main view of that project. Background colors, text colors. At the end you will have this checkbox logo title. If you turn off this checkbox, you can type your text and use your title and use some text here. Or you can turn on this checkbox and use your logo. If you use your logo, you can use fill logo color or turn off and use original logo color. Right now, when I turn on this checkbox and change color of that logo, you see how this change. At the end, you will have that fade out. You can turn on this fade out and change color of this fade out. For example, I will switch to white one. You will have one more way how you can customize this project. So for example, right now I will drag and drop that intro into my timeline, and here I will press open in Essential Graphics. Here I will have some parameters which I can customize. For example, I can edit my text directly in Essential Graphics and change main view. In Essential Graphics I will have similar parameter which I can customize in project, like if I open that's composition and open control, effect controls. Same way I can customize intro number 2 and intro number 1. How to edit your bumpers. You will have that folder bumpers. When you open that folder, here you will have 4 different variations. So for example, bumpers number 1. When you open that composition, here you will have text which you can edit, control layer where you can find all parameters which help you customize that bumper. And in that folder you will have this folder placeholders. Just open this folder and open these placeholders. Add your media into these placeholders. Just drag and drop your photo or video here. Add your logo. Change size of your logo if you need. And now you can move your bumper into your project. Just drag and drop that bumper here into your timeline. To activate overlay effect, you will need to turn on this function here. And you can open control of that bumper in Essential Graphics. Here you will have that checkbox in. If you turn on this checkbox, you will have additional animation there. Edit your text here, type your text, change color of your text, and use that parameter to activate your logo. For example, if you would like to use your title, just turn off this checkbox logo title and type your text here. If you use your logo, you can use logo fill or original logo color. If you use logo fill, you can change fill of your logo. For example, we will switch to green one. In folder edit main view, you will have parameters which help you to control color. For example, we will change to blue one and play with intensity. We can turn on or turn off fade out. Just press this checkbox. You can change fade out color. For example, we will switch to white one. And here you can adjust duration of your bumpers. So right now I will move this marker here and I will change duration. Same way you can customize all bumper in that project. So for example, bumper number 2. Open that bumper in Essential Graphics. Drag and drop that bumper into your timeline. Now we will need to add some pictures in placeholders. We can use Essential Graphics to edit our text. Here we will have that folder edit text, where we can type our text and play with our logo. Or just open this composition bumper number 2 and type our text here. At the end we will have that control layer. We can open effect controls, and here we have all parameters which help us customize this project. Change colors, intensity for example, turn off or turn on fade out, change fade out colors, use our title if you would like to use title. How to use title in that project? You will have that folder title. Here you will have 4 different titles which you can use in your project. Right now just choose titles which you would like to use and just drag and drop into your timeline. To activate overlay effect, you will need to turn on this button. You can open this title in Essential Graphics. So right now here you will have all parameters which you can change. You can type your text. You can use this checkbox text fill. For example, you can use just stroke or fill. You can change text color, change size of your text, choose different background color. For example, here we will switch to blue one and choose some color overlays. Right now, for example, I will switch to purple one and change intensity of that effect. And of course, we can adjust duration of these titles. Just use this marker to change duration. One more way how you can customize this title. Just open this composition title, and here you will have all text layers which you can change. Just type your text here. You will have that control layer. If you open that control layer in effect controls, here you will have all parameters which you can change. When you add your title number 3, to activate overlay effect, you will need to turn on this button. Open title number 3, choose control layer and lock effect controls. So right now you will have all parameters which help you to customize this project. Change size of your text, change text color, color of your title. For example, we will switch to purple one and change intensity if you would like to use another colors. And of course, if you would like to use just one title and you would like to make a copy of this title, you can just press Ctrl or Command D and use that title 1 time more. So right now let's subscribe, and here we will activate overlay effect. Open this title number 1 in Essential Graphics and type our text. And right now, for example, I would like to use white color of background and change a little bit intensity and text size. I would like make it bigger. Title number 2, subscribe, and title number 2 with our text. Same way you can customize all title in this project. How to edit boost titles. In Composition All Preview you can choose boost titles which you would like to use. Open your project and just drag and drop these boost titles into your project. To activate that overlay effect you will need to turn off that button here. And you can adjust duration of that boost titles using that marker. Just move that out. I prefer shorter one. You can open that boost titles in Facial Graphics, and here you will have parameters which you can change. You can type your text here, change position of that boost titles, like this, and change colors. If you open that composition boost titles, you will have that red cross which helps you to position your boost title somewhere where you want. And here you can type your text, use that control layer, open that control layer in Effect Controls and change colors and text colors. Same way you can use boost titles number 2. Just drag and drop that composition into your project. To activate overlay effect you will need to turn on that button. Open that boost titles in Essential Graphics and type your text. Change position, change size, colors, and of course you can change duration of that boost titles. You can make copy of that composition directly here. Just press Command D, and right now that will be new title. For example, here we have this text, and here I will turn overlay effects, open in Essential Graphics and type my new text. And for example, I would like change position. How to use Lover Sort. So when you open that folder Lover Sort, you will have 6 different folders with 6 different type of Lover Sort. Each folder has 3 different positions of your Lover Sort. So for example, left, right, and center. To use this Lover Sort, just drag and drop that composition into your project. Here you can adjust duration of that Lover Sort. You can open that Lover Sort in Essential Graphics and change text here. Same way you can change position and size of that Lover Sort. Or you can just open that Lover Sort and type your text here, open control layer, effect controls, and here you will have color controls. Same here you will have that red cross which you can move and change size of this Lover Sort. If you would like to use same Lover Sort in all your project, you can just make copy of that composition and put it again. Here you can change parameter. And that will be new Lover Sort. Same way you can customize and use all Lover Sort in that project. So for example, that's one Lover Sort number 6. Just move it into your project. Here I will change duration of that Lover Sort. And if I would like change text, I can open that Lover Sort here. I will have that text layer which I can change. I will have that text layer and control where I have color controls. Same here I will have size, which help me to change size of my text separately. And I can move that text by position. Just use my keyboard or mouse. I can open that Lover Sort in Essential Graphics, and here I will have all parameters which I can change and customize my Lover Sorts for my needs. How to use that comment in your project. So open your composition and here you will have that folder comments. Open that folder and choose comments which you would like to use. For example, I will choose first one. Just drag and drop that composition into your timeline. Here you will have that marker which help you to adjust duration of that composition. You can open that composition in Essential Graphics, and here you can type your text. Right now you can change position of that comment and scale if you need. Here you can change text color, for example, we'll use dark one. And here you will have that slider arrow position. Just move this slider to change position of your arrow. Of course, you can open that comment, and here you will have that red cross. So you can use this red cross to change size of your comment and choose position where you would like to use your comment. Same way you can customize all comments in this project. So for example, I would like use this one. That's comment number 5. Open your composition, drag and drop that comment here, change duration, and open that control in Essential Graphics. Change position, or you can use your mouse and put your comment somewhere here where you need. Change position of that arrow, and type your text here, and change colors. That composition has your logo icon. So when you open this composition, comment number 7, here you will have your icon placeholder. When you open this placeholder and choose your image, just drag and drop this image inside this composition, adjust duration, and open in Essential Graphics to change position, colors, and text position and color of the text. Or just open this composition and you will have all text and controls here. Same way you can use this red cross to move your comments. How to edit call to action button. Here in folder like and subscribe you can find all call to action button which you can use in your project. Choose button which you would like to use and just drag and drop that composition into your project. For example, right now I will choose this one. You can change duration of that button here. Just move that marker out and adjust duration of that composition. You can open that call to action in Essential Graphics, and here you will have all necessary parameters which you can change. So for example, right now you can change position, scale, colors, and you can type your text here. For example, right now subscribe would change to your text and move position like. Also you can open that composition, and inside this composition you will have all parameters which you can change to. You can type your text here, you can use that controller and open that controller in effect controls, and same, here you will have all similar parameters. You can use this red cross to move your button somewhere where you need. For example, you can move it here. And you can change size of this button here. Same way you can use all elements from this folder. So for example, right now you would like use this link. Just add this link into your composition. Here you will have that marker which help you to change duration, adjust duration if you need. And there, if you open in Essential Graphics, you will have all colors control, and here you can type your text, change position, scale, and change colors. Or you can open that composition, link 1, and here you will have that red cross which help you to move that element somewhere where you need. You will have that text which you can change and control. If you open that control layer in Effect Controls, here you will have all parameters which help you to change colors. To use this social network composition, just drag and drop that composition into your timeline. And when you open Essential Graphics, you will have parameters which you can change. Here you can play with your network logo. For example, right now we will switch to another one. Or if you would like to use some custom one, you will need a switch to 16, move that slider at the end, and open that folder your logo. When you open this folder your logo, here you will have 3 custom logo. Just add your logo in this placeholder your logo. Change size if you need. And now you will have your logo here. You can change color and duration of that button. Just use this marker to adjust duration. How to use end screens. In all previous composition, you can find preview of all end screen, which you can use in your project, and here, folder end screens. Just open that folder and choose some end screen which you would like to use in your project. Open your composition and just drag and drop that composition end screen there. To activate the overlay effect, you will need to turn on this button. Just click here. And right now, to open color controls of this end screen and change text, you can use Essential Graphics. So open that composition in Essential Graphics. When you open that preference, here you will have this background checkbox. You can turn off background and you will have your background video. Don't forget enable that overlay effect. You can use your background and change color of your background here. Or you can use your background video and same change colors of that effect using that controllers. In folder edit text, you can type your text, change position of that text and size. In folder edit links, you can edit that links. You can type your text here. And if you move this slider, you can change logo of your social network. If you would like use your custom logo, you will need open that folder your logo. Just open this composition and add your logo here. Change size if you need. And then you will need to move that slider at the end. So right now, that will be your logo here. One more option how you can use end screen. For example, I will choose second one, drag and drop that into my timeline, then turn on that overlay effects, and I can open that end screen composition, and here I will have all text which I can edit directly in composition, and you will have that control layer. If you open that control layer and open effect controls, you will have all parameters and colors controls which help you to customize that project. You can use this checkbox to turn on or turn off your background. You can change color of that line using this parameter. For example, I would like to switch to blue one. You can change text color. And you can use this slider to choose some of logo of your social network. Last one, it will be your custom logo. To edit that logo, you will need to open your logo icon folder, and here open that composition and add your logo there, your custom logo. When you open composition end screen, you will have that cross. You can use this cross to move your links somewhere where you would like to use it. You can change size of this link. Just use this red cross. Same way you can customize all end screen. So for example, I will use end screen number 3. I will move it into my timeline. I will open my controller in Essential Graphics. Here I will have that checkbox background. I will turn on my background. I will need enable that layer overlay effects. Then I can open that edit link folder and change logo of my social network. I can change size of my link using that parameter. In folder edit text, I can change text colors. So for example, right now I will switch subscribes to white one and all text same to white one. And in folder edit main views, I can change main colors. And this background color I will switch to red one. To use transition in that project, you will need create your own composition and add your media into that composition. Choose place where you would like use that transition. For example, I would like use it here. Now open transition folder and there choose transition which you would like to use. Move that transition to your timeline and use that marker cut to move transition and put it directly where you need. To activate overlay effect, you will need to turn on this function here. Just press this button. And right now that's transition with overlay effect and without. You can simply adjust duration of your transition. Just use this area to edit duration. You can make it faster or slower. Same way you can use all transition in this project. So for example, we will choose second one. Just drag and drop that transition into your timeline. And now change duration of this transition and put it directly in your cut. And don't forget to turn on overlay effect. You can easily change effect colors. Right now, I would like to use transition number 1. Just open that transition in Essential Graphics, and here you will have all controllers which you need. So for example, right now I will switch red one to green one, for example. And now I would like change colors in transition number 2. Right button, open in Essential Graphics. And here I have controllers which I can change, or just open that transition number 2, and inside that transition I will have that control layer. If I open effect controls, same here I will have that color controls, so I can change color directly here. Maybe I will switch to yellow one. One more times. I choose transition number 3, I add that transition into my timeline, change duration of that transition using that marker, cut, OK, enable overlay effect here, and right now, if I would like change colors, I open my transition in Essential Graphics, and here I have all color controls which help me to change colors. Using this folder, you can create your custom preview image for your YouTube video. Choose one of templates which you like more. Just open that composition. You will have placeholder where you can put your image or video. Open placeholder and just drag and drop your image inside. Then here you will have that placeholder for your logo. Open that placeholder and just drag and drop your logo inside. Scale your logo if you need. You can move your logo here. You can edit text here. And you can edit your title here. And of course you will have control layers here, which help you to change colors. Just choose this control layer and open effect controls. Here you will have all parameters which you can change. For example, right now we will switch from dark to blue one, and from red to maybe green one. Change intensity. Here I can turn on or turn off ramp. Use that fill color, for example, I will switch it to white. And of course you can open that composition in Essential Graphics. And here you will have same controllers which help you to customize that project faster. If you open Add Your Text, you will have all text layers where you can type your text, change position and scale of your text. Same here, you can change your logo size and position of your logo. If you open that folder Edit Main View, you will have all colors control, which help you customize this project. Same way you can customize all preview image. I will open this composition here. Use that placeholder to edit my image. Now I will open that composition in Essential Graphics. Change text here. And then I will open Edit Main View and I will play with that colors. To edit that logo, I can use that placeholder here, your logo, or I can open placeholders folder and I can find my placeholders for logo here. And now just drag and drop your logo, change size if you need. And now I can a little bit play with size and position of this logo in Essential Graphics and change color of that logo. How to edit font in that project? First of all, check that README file. You can find that README file in folder Help. Here you can find link to font which we use in our preview. You can download that fonts for free. If you would like use another font, you can edit that font in After Effects. For example, title number 2. Here you should unlock all layers, all text layers, then choose all this text layer and choose another font. Same way you can customize intro, bumpers, all composition in this project. Intro number 2. Same here, unlock all text layer, choose all text layer and change fonts. In our README file you can find sound which we use in our preview. When you open that README file, here you will have a link which help you find Stomp Kit by Glow City. When you download that kit and open that folder Stomp Kit, you will have that folder bonus. Here you can find all sound which we use in our preview, like bumpers and intro. Just import that folders into your After Effects. And now open folder bumpers, and here you will have that placeholder sound. Just open that placeholder, choose bumpers number 1 and just drag and drop sound inside that composition. Same way you can use sound for titles. Intro number 3, for example, here open placeholder sound and just drag and drop intro sound into that composition. And of course, if you download that Stomp Kit, you can create your own sound. For example, choose No Tails Start, Intro, Bridge, Outro,